Imagine 25 small machines that can create essential, modern, and in-demand products every day, giving you a steady income right from home, and all with very simple materials. 1. Scented Candle Making Machine. A compact device that melts wax and blends it with essential oils and colors to craft beautiful candles. Perfect for home decor, gifts, or even aromatherapy. You can create seasonal designs like Ramadan or wedding-themed candles. Raw materials are inexpensive, but customized designs can sell for a premium. If you target the right audience and offer high quality, this can be a highly profitable venture. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 2. Natural Soap Making Machine. This machine mixes plant oils and herbs to produce chemical-free organic soap. People with sensitive skin or eco-conscious lifestyles love handmade soaps. You can design creative molds and add scents like lavender or mint. Handcrafted soaps sell well at markets and online platforms. It's an easy startup idea with minimal equipment and great potential. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 3. TShirt Heat Press Machine. A heat press allows you to print images, slogans, or logos on clothing items. Great for creating trendy designs or personalized gifts. It's a popular business among young people and fashion enthusiasts. You can start small and expand your brand over time. One machine can kickstart your own custom apparel business. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 4. Mug Printing Machine. A specialized printer that transfers designs onto mugs and ceramic items. Perfect for personalized gifts for occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. People love custom items with names or photos of loved ones. You just need a good eye for design and solid marketing on social media. Even one-off orders can bring a solid profit with low material cost. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 5. Embroidery Machine. This automated machine adds professional embroidery to fabric items like towels, hats, or bags. Gives a premium touch and lets you offer customized products. You can target schools, businesses, or sell personalized gift items. It requires simple digital design input, no manual sewing skills needed. Embroidery items sell well, especially when well branded. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 6. Fresh Pasta Maker. A small machine that produces fresh pasta in different shapes and natural flavors. Health-conscious consumers love homemade pasta without preservatives. You can add spinach, herbs, or tomato for color and taste. You can sell to local restaurants or directly through social media. With creativity and consistency, this can turn into a full-time business. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 7. Cookie Cutter and Shaping Machine. Automatically shapes cookie dough into neat, uniform designs. Great for holidays, weddings, or children's events. Beautifully shaped cookies are always in demand. You can experiment with seasonal themes and decorations. Low ingredient cost, high return, especially with attractive packaging. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 8. Heat Sealing Machine. Seals food, cosmetics, or handmade products for a clean, professional finish. Essential for any home-based product business. Packaging increases customer trust and product value. Even a simple product can appear premium with proper sealing. You can combine this with food or skincare production. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 9. Laser Engraving Machine. Precision machine for engraving wood, acrylic, leather, or glass. Used to make art, personalized gifts, or decorative items. Perfect for weddings, graduations, and custom gift shops. No artistic skills needed. Just digital design files. Compact and powerful for a home-based creative business. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 10. Chocolate Making Machine melts and molds chocolate into creative and appealing shapes. You can add natural flavors, nuts, or dried fruits. Chocolate products sell year-round, especially as gifts. Great profit margins, especially when sold in custom gift boxes. With good branding, you can build your own chocolate line. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 11th. Home Sewing Machine. A classic but essential tool for starting a clothing or alteration business at home. You can sew custom garments, fix clothes, or even do small-scale tailoring. There's always demand for personalized or well-fitted clothes. You can specialize in children's fashion, traditional garments, or home decor. With creativity, sewing becomes a profitable and long-lasting business. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 12th. Glass Engraving Machine. Engraves names, logos, or designs onto cups, bottles, or mirrors. Adds a touch of elegance, making items perfect for gifts or decoration. Popular for events like weddings, graduations, and business branding. Works with digital templates, so designs are easy to replicate. Small machine, but the results look like high-end, handcrafted pieces. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 13th. Macrame Craft Setup. Uses simple knotting techniques to create home decor like plant hangers and wall art. Boho-style decorations are trending in cafes, homes, and boutiques. Materials are inexpensive, but finished products sell for a good profit. You can sell your handmade pieces or even offer workshops online. It's a relaxing craft that turns into beautiful, in-demand items. 14th. Automatic Knitting Machine. Efficiently produces scarves, hats, and winter wear from home. Demand spikes during colder months for handmade, cozy items. You can focus on stylish baby clothes or fashionable adult accessories. The machine handles complex patterns, saving time and effort. With unique designs, your knitwear can stand out in the market. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 15. Polymer Clay Craft Machine. Shapes polymer clay into jewelry, keychains, and miniature decorative items. Handmade clay products are trendy, especially among younger audiences. The clay is baked in a small oven, making it durable and colorful. Your designs can be themed, seasonal, or fully customized. Great for artists looking to sell unique handcrafted pieces. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 16th. Specialty Coffee Maker. Creates cafe-quality drinks like lattes and cappuccinos with customizable flavors. Perfect for a mini coffee bar at home or starting a delivery service. Many people crave unique coffee experiences beyond standard brews. You can build a small coffee brand and serve premium drinks locally. Stylish packaging and good marketing will attract loyal customers. 17. Vinyl Cutter. Machine cuts. Vinyl sheets for making stickers, decals, labels, and wall art. Highly useful for custom gifts, event decorations, or branding materials. People love personalized labels for weddings, birthdays, or small businesses. You can combine it with a heat press or Cricut for even more options. It's ideal for those with a creative eye and attention to detail. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 18. Homemade Perfume Kit. Machine blends. Essential oils and fragrance bases to make unique, natural perfumes. You can sell custom scents or offer made-to-order fragrance services. Natural perfumes are popular with people avoiding synthetic chemicals. Presentation matters. Bottles and packaging should feel premium. With branding and story, your perfumes can become a signature product. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 19th. Cricut Cutting Machine cuts paper, vinyl, fabric, and other materials for crafting and design projects. Great for creating invitations, event decorations, and personalized gifts. Endless possibilities. Perfect for creative entrepreneurs working from home. It's beginner-friendly with a huge online community for design ideas. Turn your passion for crafting into a well-organized business. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 20. Crepe and Pancake Maker. Easy-to-use machine for making fresh crepes or pancakes. Add toppings, sauces, or custom fillings to boost appeal. Perfect for starting a small food stall or offering homemade breakfast delivery. Street-style food is in demand for events and weekend markets. Quick setup, low cost, and delicious results. What's not to love? This is its price on Alibaba.com. 21st. Vacuum sealing machine removes air and seals food in airtight bags for freshness and longer shelf life. Perfect for home-based food sellers or herbal tea makers. Clean packaging increases customer trust and reduces spoilage. Adds a professional look to your homemade products. Pairs well with spice mixes, snacks, or any food-based business. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 22nd. Mini pastry machine, cookies and sablés, helps shape and portion dough for cookies, sablés, or petit fours. Ideal for festive treats or everyday baked goods. You can add chocolate, jam, or icing to increase visual appeal. Consistency improves quality and makes your brand more reliable. Pair with elegant packaging to reach gourmet or gift markets. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 23rd. Coffee nut roaster. Roasts coffee beans, peanuts, or almonds to perfection. Freshly roasted products attract customers with rich aroma and flavor. Great for launching a local brand of coffee or healthy snacks. Allows you to control flavor profiles and freshness. A small investment that opens the door to serious food business. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 24. 3D printer builds. Physical models from digital files using plastic filament. Use it to make toys, prototypes, tools, or custom decor. Perfect for creative designers, engineers, or tech enthusiasts. The technology is expanding fast with endless product ideas. One of the most futuristic machines for home-based innovation. This is its price on Alibaba.com. 25th CO2. Laser cutting machine, compact. Cuts wood, acrylic, and cardboard with high precision. Use it to craft signs, decorations, custom gifts, or packaging items. End products look premium and are perfect for events or stores. Compact enough for a home studio, yet powerful for professional results. Ideal for designers who want to scale up creative production. This is its price on Alibaba.com. These were 25 machines you can use to start a profitable business from home with simple tools. Pick the idea that fits you and start today. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the powerful ideas coming next.